video, we'll use the order of operations to simplify the expression 75 minus parentheses 3 plus 1 to the third power. Notice the order of operations, we begin inside the parentheses. So we simplify 3 plus 1. That will give me 4. And I know I'm done with the parentheses step. My next step is to take care of the exponents. Now, 4 to the third power does not mean 4 times 3. Instead, it means to write the 4 3 times and multiply. So 4 times 4 gives me 16, and 16 times 4 gives me 64. So now I have 75 minus 64. I don't see any multiplication or division, so I get to skip those steps. And I get to jump all the way down to subtraction here. 75 minus 64 would give me 11. Now, I do want to show you how I can type this problem into my Desmos graphing calculator, which I will be sure to link in the description below so I can check this answer. You can see how I can type the equation into the calculator here on the left, and Desmos will give me the answer of 11. This is a great check to make sure that you're getting the correct answer. Also, I'm linking this in the description because this is the Desmos calculator that you will be allowed to use on STAAR. So it's good practice from the beginning.